Hi everyone, I'm Stephanie Mercado. I'll be the open spiker for the Bingo Milyonario team. Tinanong ako kung pwede ako or okay ba yung schedule ko. Sabi ko, umuwi ako kagad kasi ito talaga yung hinihintay ko na after UAAP na sana magkaroon ng league na ganito. Sa team namin, we will do our best na mapanalo namin yung games namin and also sana makabot kami sa championship na sa lahat ng laban, lalaban talaga kami.
Well, that's of course very candid interview there with Panay Mercado, who really wanted to continue playing volleyball even after collegiate years, and it took her what, 3 years before she finally found this.
That's why, of course, we're getting a lot of support for this league because that's what's missing. You know, if you really want to build a program here in the country, you want something for players to look forward to after they graduate college.
Well, Eulalio scoring that time, and it appears, there's Stephanie Mercado, Panay Mercado on your screens. It appears right now that PLDT MyDSL has gone to cruise control. But let's see if Bingo Milyonario still has one final push. Well, sometimes it's better to be lucky than good.
And that one was a lucky point for Vargas.
And it is now 23 to 19.
Well, from what was a strong start for Bingo Milyonario, they've been silenced by the speed boosters.
Vargas, Peñano, Gumabaw, and Patrona getting it across. Here's the quick set. Well, if Eulalio brings us to match point. Kanina pa yan, walang blockers talaga.
And really, it's the blockers of Bingo Milyonario committing to a different attacker, and Makatuno really doing a good job in, you know, with deception, I mean deceiving the blockers.
Well, we have 5 match points now for PLDT MyDSL. Vargas, Chisayet, Laborte, Makatuno, going to Benting, and Benting is denied by the net. So here we go again. Kanina, 8 puntos yung hinabol ng Bingo Milyonario. This is a shorter span right now, just 5. And Francis Vicente does not want to experience deja vu. Needs to call this timeout.
Tawagin mo si Laborte. Umikot ka. Kailangan makuha mo si Laborte. Umikot ka. Ipain mo. Bato mo sa open. Jella, maliit yung blocker sa harap. Naintindihan? Ngayon, kung kaya mo palusutin doon sa dalawang nasa harapan, pwede mo rin maging option yon. Okay? I-running. Running. Huwag mo itaas ang running sa kanya. Gusto niya yung fast running. Mababa lang. Okay. Bumalik ang bola. A-quick. Okay? A-quick o B-quick. Pwede ka mag-tres o open na lang. Naintindihan? A-quick. Let's go.
So this play is designed for when Eulalio just put it away already right now.
That's right, and again, Bingo Milyonario put in the same position wherein they have to do everything perfect just so that they can at least even out the score with PLDT.
Well, let's see. Iris Patrona to put it in play. 4 match points, and they only need 1 as Patrona gives it to them on a silver platter with a service error. So it is a 4-set victory for PLDT MyDSL against Bingo Milyonario on opening day here at the Phil Sports Arena. But again, a very, very well-fought match, especially MyDSL. PLDT MyDSL was down by 1 set earlier. Then they took the next 3 sets. Reception problems continued to plague Bingo Milyonario despite leading early, and they take it. PLDT MyDSL takes it in 4 sets. We'll be right back to wrap this up. This sports special is brought to you by Petron Blade 100, Euro 4 high-performance gasoline, meets European fuel quality standard.
Hey everyone, come watch us in the Superliga, our team Bingo Milyonario, and you can only watch us in Solar Sports.
Ladies and gentlemen, it was a 4-set win by PLDT MyDSL, 22-25, 25-18, 25-22, and 25-20 at the expense of Bingo Millonario. And of course, you know, it's just opening day. We saw a lot of chinks for both teams, but a win is still a win for PLDT MyDSL.
That's right. And in this case, they were the team that did better and really deserved the win.
And of course, Denise Tan is with our player of the game. Let's send it down to Denise.
Yes, the best player of the game will receive Vibram 5 Fingers from Mr. Alan Reyes, and she is of course Pao Soriano. Pao, kakatapos mo lang ng collegiate level volleyball. How does it feel na right after college diretso may gantong klaseng liga para sa inyo and for everyone else?
Syempre masaya, lalo na ito yung talaga yung pinaka-love namin sports. Alam mo yun na bawat isa sa amin may chance na after ng college level, matutuloy pa rin yung passion na saka yung love nila sa sports na to. Ayun. Teka lang, hi po pala sa family ko, sa supporters po ng PLDT and Adamson. Hi sa ate ko sa Dubai, kay Maureen Soriano, Marjorie Thompson, saka kay Kiel Karamat. Yeah, thank you.
All right, thank you then, Pao, and congratulations. Back to you, Noel and Ann.
Congratulations to Pao Soriano, of course, and PLDT MyDSL for getting the first win. But folks, this is just the tip of the iceberg. This coming Wednesday, we move to the San Juan Arena for the continuation of Philippine Superliga. Of course, our 2 p.m. game will be Signal going up against the Philippine Army, and we have Bingo Millonario going up against Cagayan Valley. PLDT MyDSL will meet Petron, triple header once again starting at 2 p.m. Telecast begins at 4 p.m. on Solar Sports. So, Anne, the dawn of a new era for Philippine volleyball has arrived. What do you have to say about that?
Well, of course, I'm very excited and happy for all of the players. Again, for all those who are still in college now, they have something to look forward to when they graduate college.
And of course, the Philippine Superliga will be back this coming Wednesday at 4 p.m. Keep it right here on Solar Sports. On behalf of our interviewer, Denise Tan, and of course my partner, Andre Mulia, this is Noel Zarate. Paalam!